Have you ever walked away from a conversation thinking, why do I always come out feeling defeated? You weren't loud. You weren't rude. You didn't even do anything wrong. And still, you felt small. Here's the truth. Respect isn't earned through shouting. It's earned through precision. There's a sentence, just one, that instantly flips the power dynamic in any conversation. It's not hostile. It's not a trick. And most people never say it. They're too caught up defending themselves. But before I reveal it, let me show you why it works. Imagine someone comes at you with words. They say you're wrong. They mock your intelligence. They hit your nerves. And 99% of people, they defend. They explain. They try to justify. They go on defense. But leaders, they don't flinch. They don't rush. They look you in the eye and say 3 words. You're absolutely right. Silence, that's all. 3 words. No anger, no excuse, just presence. You see, most argue to win. The wise, they let the other person think they've won, then they walk away holding the real leverage. Because saying you're right does something powerful. It cuts off the emotional wave. It softens the ego. It makes the other person hesitate, wondering if you know something they don't. It creates a gap. And inside that quiet space, you hold control. Next time someone throws a jab, try this. Pause. Breathe. Look them dead in the eye and say, you're absolutely right. Then say nothing else. Don't defend. Don't react. Just observe. Watch how they retreat, shift, or start questioning themselves. You just became the calmest force in the room. And calm always leads. People respect clarity. They respect restraint. They respect those who don't need to win. So if you want instant respect, don't chase it. Say this once and walk away like you never needed it to begin with. Because the loudest voice in the room is almost never the one in charge.